Welcome back, everybody. One of my favorite pizzas of all time is the Dion's 505. My wife and I love it. Dion's is a New Mexico pizza chain. The 505, pepperoni and roasted green chili. Trying something different today. I went to Safeway, our local grocery store, and they have frozen pizza dough that they pull out and they put it in their deli section. I put it in my proofing box. It's been in there for about 3 hours. I have a 50-50 mixture of semolina and type 00 flour. Now, speaking of 00 flour, I don't know what type of flour they use for this dough. My guess is it's not the 00 flour because the instructions on their pizza dough say 500 degrees cooking temperature. So we're gonna make sure we keep that Blackstone pizza oven right about 500 degrees. Of course, the type 00 pizza flour is what they use for high temperature pizza ovens, cooking 600, 700, 800, 1,000 degrees. So we're gonna keep it a little bit lower today. Now, if you're joining me and you've never watched my videos before, I am not a pizza making expert. I've never claimed to be one, but I know what tastes good, and we're gonna give it a whirl, and hopefully this will work out. Lately, I've been making a bunch of the Neapolitan pizzas using some different pizza dough recipes, but today, I think this will be your typical American kind of tavern style pizza, I guess. I don't know what you want to call it. I'm just stretching this out, doing my best to make it look round. I'm going with that Don Pepino's pizza sauce. I just love this stuff if you're making a New York style or one of these kind of pub style pizzas. It is delicious. Buy it on Amazon. They make it in New Jersey. Mozzarella. I'm going to go down with a light layer of mozzarella, followed by pepperoni. Of course, with the 505 green chili, they use hatch green chili, but I like to use the Pueblo Green Chile. These are from Musso Farms down in Pueblo, Colorado, and of course, chili season every August and September. But this is essentially the 505, as they call it. I guess we'll call it the 719. And I'm putting a little extra mozzarella on top to kind of seal the deal. I just always like to do it. Just granulated garlic. And I'm gonna use some salt-free Mrs. Dash tomato basil garlic. This is the brand new Walmart version of the Blackstone pizza oven. I have it around 550 degrees. There we go, into the stone. Let's see what happens. We're only about 500, maybe 550 degrees, so we're cooking a little bit slower, but it's looking good. All right, I think we are ready. Into the pizza box. Oh, it barely fits. Take a look at that. I'm fessing up there. It's not perfectly round, but it's round-ish. And it's Colorado fresh. You imagine if I showed up at your door with one of these? Oh my goodness. Eeny, meeny, that one there is speaking to me. Wow, I tell you what. I guess some people are better at making dough than I am. The local grocery store. That's a good looking dough right there. Look at that color on the bottom. It's pretty darn simple. It's a pepperoni pizza, seasoned it to taste, but you have to have roasted green chilies. And I'm not talking about the little cans of green chilies. Folks, if you live out on the East Coast, that's where I grew up, and all you ever had is those little cans of old El Paso green chili. That's nasty stuff. We're talking about fresh roasted chilies out here from the American Southwest. So this is what I'm calling a 719 roasted green chili pizza. It's delicious. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please make sure you're watching me over at Blackstone social media. We've got Let's Give It a Try over there, and of course Pizza Party as well. $597 at your local Walmart. Check it out, it's good. We've got videos coming up on a lot of other stuff too, so if you're unfamiliar with the Blackstone pizza oven, we're talking salmon, we're talking steaks in there, all kinds of fun stuff. So until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass this, the 719.